Have you seen the Topacme night light projector all over social media? It looks amazing in the ads. But does it really deliver, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. After looking into this projector, I'd say it offers a mixed experience. The design is compact and modern. Setup is simple. Just plug it in, choose a lighting mode, and you're ready to go. It projects colourful stars, galaxies, and relaxing light effects onto your walls and ceiling. In a dark room, the colours look bright and create a cosy atmosphere. It also includes multiple lighting modes and brightness settings. That makes it great for bedrooms, kids' rooms, or anyone who enjoys relaxing before bed. If you're buying it as a mood light, it does a decent job. But here's where you should be careful. The marketing videos make the projector look much more impressive than what most people receive. Some buyers say the real projection isn't as sharp or as immersive as the advertisements suggest. Others have also complained about customer service and refund issues after purchasing. So, is it a scam? Not exactly. The projector is a real product, and it does create relaxing lighting effects. However, if you're expecting cinema-quality visuals or the dramatic effects shown in online ads, you'll probably be disappointed. My advice? Buy it only if you find it at a reasonable price and your expectations are realistic. It's best used as a decorative nightlight, not as a premium home projector. Overall, I'd give the Topacme nightlight projector a 7 out of 10. It's fun, relaxing, and easy to use. Just don't believe every advertisement you see.